Hi, this is Ryan from Masuva. With concrete5.7 being out, there's been lots of updates to it. There's been lots of bug fixes and improvements to the interface, and therefore we've been updating a lot of 5.7 sites. So what I wanted to do today is go through what we normally do to update a 5.7 site and show that process. Now this is more of a manual process. Concrete5 does have a auto updater as part of it. We tend to like using the manual process because it gives us a bit more confidence and control of what's actually happening, and it also means that we're not filling up the server with unused versions of Concrete. So we're going to update the Eden Home Loans website today, and if we look at the source of this, we can see that it is running 5.7.4.1. We're going to update it with 5.7.4.2. The first thing you should do with 5.7 if you're wanting to update it manually is log into it. Just leave it logged in like this because that's needed as part of the actual upgrade process. You need to be logged in as an admin. Second thing is that I've logged into the cPanel of Eden Home Loans here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a database backup. I could take a full backup, but I'm going to take just a database because generally speaking, when you update Concrete5, it only ever touches the database a little bit. You're really not changing the rest of the files around. You've always got them as a backup. So we've done that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the file manager here, and we're going to open up the file manager, and we can see there's Concrete5's directories and its Concrete folder there. So what we're going to do is I've got a new version of Concrete5.7.4.2. I'm going to unzip this. Then I'm going to go into this folder, and the Concrete folder inside of here, what I'm going to do is just temporarily name this to Concrete New, and then I'm going to zip this folder up, and you can see that zipping there. Different ways to zip. I use this one here, and what I want to do now is upload this new copy of the core Concrete folder up to our cPanel. So this is where I'll find that zip, and we'll upload this one here. So this will take a few minutes, so naturally I'll skip this part in the video. Tick tick tick. Okay, so our Concrete5 new install has been uploaded. We can see that there, so we can close this. If I reload our cPanel file manager here, we can see this new folder, and I'm going to extract that there. So we'll have a Concrete folder and a Concrete New folder sitting next to each other, and we can see that there. So we've only got one step left to do, and what we're going to quickly do is we're going to rename this to Concrete Old, and we're going to rename this to just Concrete. So we've swapped over those directories. Then we're going to go to our website, and we're going to copy into the URL this path here, which is index.php ccm system upgrade, and put that on the end there. Okay, this is going to ask us to perform the upgrade between 1 and 2. We hit upgrade, and a second later we should find that it's been updated, and we can go back home here, and everything is continuing to work as we expect. And we can confirm that that's happened by going to view source, and we can see 5.7.4.2. So that's been updated. Finally, we can tidy things up a bit. If we go to the file manager, we can get rid of this Concrete Old folder and the Concrete New one as well. So that's it. So the great thing about doing it this way is that we don't end up with lots of folders in the updates folder. And it's effectively an in-place update. It's as if we'd installed the new version of Concrete5 and new. So that's it. Hope that's helpful to someone. Cheers.